Welcome back, students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install TrendEarth plugin to your QGIS. For this, please open QGIS. I remind you that I recommend you to use QGIS version 10.3, and afterwards you go to plugins here. Manage and install plugins. When you click on this Manage and install plugins, you will see the following window. Then you have to go to the search option here and write Trend Earth. Then highlight it. Then you will see that this plugin information about the plugin appeared. TrendEarth is a plugin that allows to analyze land change in support of sustainable land management, achieving the land degradation neutrality sustainable development goal, and to support reporting to the Global Environment Facility and United Nations Convention to combat desertification. Well, this is correct plugin. So after we have highlighted it, we have to only click install plugin, and installation processes will begin. After installation process is finished, you can go to raster, and you will see under the menu raster that the new menu appears that relates to TrendEarth, where you can see different options are available. We can click about, and the window that shows the information about this plugin will appear. What is important here that there is also a user guide that we can access when we click on this link. So I clicked on this, and this is a window that opens up, and this is very useful online guide that you can browse through and read for more details, even though I'm going to show you step by step different analysis that we can do TrendEarth, but later on it could be quite important for you. And there is also a version that you can download for using offline that could be also quite helpful if you don't have internet connection. Okay, here is also some basic information about this plugin, also how to cite correctly this plugin, and information on who were developers of the plugin or supported the development, which was GIF, Global Environmental Facility, Conservation International, Lund University in Sweden, and NASA.